In this video, we'll quickly walk you through how to manage your SuiteDash subscription and billing. Whether you're a new user or just looking to streamline your experience, understanding these processes can save you time and help you avoid unnecessary fees. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to know is how to access your subscription settings. To do that, log into SuiteDash and head to your account settings. Once inside, you'll find a subscription tab under the billing section. Here, you'll be able to see your current plan, billing cycle, and the amount you're being charged. This is the starting point for everything. Next thing, let's talk about upgrading or downgrading your subscription. SuiteDash offers several plans, and the good news is that you can easily switch between them. To upgrade or downgrade, simply click on a Change Plan option. This will allow you to select the new plan that best fits your needs. It's important to note that if you're downgrading, SuiteDash will prorate the difference for you, which is a nice feature to avoid any surprise charges. However, keep in mind that some changes might impact your current usage and limits, so make sure you review those before making the switch. Now, the third thing, billing and payment methods. If you need to update your payment details, this can be done from the same billing section. Just click on Update Payment Method and you'll be able to add a new credit card or PayPal account. If you're ever unsure about what you've been charged for, you can always check your payment history right here. SuiteDash gives you a detailed breakdown of each charge, so there's no guessing involved. Moving on, let's talk about cancellations. If you need to cancel your subscription for any reason, you can do so directly from the subscription page. However, be aware that SuiteDash offers a 30-day refund policy, which is something to keep in mind if you're in the middle of a billing cycle. Be sure to reach out to their support team before the billing cycle ends if you want a refund. The cancellation process is fairly straightforward, but again, check the timing to avoid any unnecessary charges. The fifth thing I want to highlight is billing notifications. SuiteDash does a decent job of keeping you informed about upcoming charges and renewals, but it's always a good idea to manually check your subscription every now and then, especially if you're on an annual plan. You don't want any surprises when your next payment comes through. Finally, let me give you the full picture. While SuiteDash is a solid platform with a comprehensive billing system, it's not the only tool out there. If your goal is to manage client relationships and automate your workflows effectively, there are some other platforms that might be better suited for your needs. I'll be sharing an exclusive offer for a great alternative later in the video, and trust me, it might be a game changer for your business. It's got a free trial as well, and I've got some special benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Now, here's where things get interesting. You've made it this far, and I've got a special offer for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to SuiteDash's exclusive extended free trial, but also, I've added some fantastic alternatives that might be a better fit for your needs. These options come with free trials too, and trust me, they're worth considering if you want to maximize your productivity and streamline your subscription management. So, be sure to check out the link in the description to get the best deal and exclusive benefits. Let's make managing your software subscriptions a whole lot easier.